Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to record messenger calls or record your messenger audio and video calls. If you want to record your Facebook Messenger audio calls or record your Facebook Messenger video calls, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe the channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, choose and open your Google Play Store. After that, in this here type or search Cube ACR. You can see call recorder Cube ACR app. Please install this app. After that, open it. Choose next, click on it. After that, choose grant permissions. Choose while using the app, click on it. After that, choose allow. Choose allow. Choose allow. Okay, click on it. Choose allow. Yes. Open grant permissions, click here. You can see allow all the time, so choose and select allow all the time, click on it. After that, you can see install helper, click on it. After that, click here Cube ACR helper. Please install this app. After that, choose next, click on it. Choose grant permissions. Choose while using the app. Choose allow. After that, choose allow. Enable app connector, click on it. You can see install apps, click here. Call recording for messaging already turn on. After that, you can see Cube ACR app connector, open it. After that, click here. Choose allow. Okay. Choose allow. In this here, you can see my all messenger call recordings in this here. So in this time I can choose and select or change some settings. After that, you can see left top corner 3 button option, click on it. You can see enable recording already turn on or enable. So in this time you can choose and select recording, click here. You can see auto start recording, automatically start call recording, so already turn on or enable. After that, excluded callers, open it. Excluded callers. After that, you can see exclude calls from unknown numbers. After that, in this here, click on it. Choose OK. Scroll down. After that, choose and select phone recording audio source, open it. Phone recording audio source. So in this, you can choose and select second option voice communication software. So in this here, click on it. You can see in this time I can choose and select voice communication software. After that, scroll down. You can see VoIP recording audio source, click on it. VoIP recording audio source. You can see many options. In this time you can choose and select voice call software. So already choose and select this option. After that, go back. Scroll down. You can see services to record, open it. Services to record cellular calls, email, meet, messenger, telegram, WhatsApp. So minimize it and go to your Facebook Messenger. After that, choose and open your Facebook Messenger. You can see my Facebook Messenger. So in this time, I can easily record messenger calls or record your messenger audio and video calls. So let's see. After that, open any conversation or any chats. So in this time, I can easily record messenger calls. After that, calls. So in this way, you can easily record your Facebook Messenger calls or record your Messenger calls. So instead I can show second process or second method how to record your Messenger video calls. So let's see. So minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. After that, in this here type and search screen recorder. You can see a screen recorder, AZ recorder, open it. A screen recorder, AZ recorder, install this app. Open it. After that, choose allow. Turn on this option, click on it. Go back. Choose OK. Choose allow. So in this step, you can easily record your Messenger video calls. So in this way, you can easily record your Facebook Messenger audio calls or record your Messenger video calls. After, you can see Facebook Messenger video call recording icon. So in this here, click on it. You can see Messenger video call recording start option, click on it. So in this way, you can easily record your Messenger video call or record your Messenger audio call. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.